Well, hello there.
And thanks for tuning in to Bumblebee Kid Toys. Minnie Mouse and I are bringing you another one of her marvelous magical microwave videos. She's discovered more secret recipes. Let's get started. Alright, so here is Minnie's Tasty Treats recipe book, and inside are super secret recipes number 10, number 11, and number 12. We'll be making these 3 recipes using Minnie's marvelous microwave, and we'll have to push the buttons listed on each recipe here on the microwave. Minnie has this basket of food items for us to use in the recipes. Now let's take a look at super secret recipe number 10. We'll need a banana, and we'll have to push the s'mores button and popcorn button on the microwave. Here's the banana we need for this recipe. Now let me just place it inside the microwave. And now we'll press the s'mores button and popcorn button, then press start. Ooh, let's check out what's inside the microwave. Oh, cool! Recipe number 10 gave us an Ooshies blind bag. This one here is a Disney Cars 3 blind bag from their Series 1 collection, and there are 40 characters to collect. These Ooshies can be used as fun pencil toppers. Let's find out which character's in this one. Here is the flyer. And here is the character. Awesome! Check out this cool looking race car. And here he is on the flyer. It's Jackson Storm, and he's a common find. Let's display him right here on Minnie Mouse. Now we can move on to super secret recipe number 11. We're gonna need a croissant, and we'll have to press the soup and pretzel button on the microwave. Ah, here's the croissant that we need. This one's a little dented, but it will do. Let's place it here in the microwave. Now to press the soup and pretzel buttons. Let's open up the microwave and see what's inside. Yay! We got a Shopkins blind box. This is from their Season 8 Final Destination The Americas series. This blind box contains 2 Shopkins and 1 twin room. I can't wait to see which Shopkins I'll be adding to my Shopkin collection. Here we have the flyer. Oops! And the 2 character bags. This is the twin room for our Shopkins. Now to see our first Shopkin character. Aw, look at this cute cactus plant. I love it. Let me find this cutie on the Shopkins flyer. Oh, here it is under Mexico Amigos category. It's Spike. Now let's open up the second character bag. Oh, wow! Check out this shiny Shopkin. It's so pretty. Ooh, and this one's under the Gleamtastic Holidays category. Her name is Party Popper, and she's an ultra rare find. Okay, you guys, we're down to our last super secret recipe, number 12. We're gonna need 1 strawberry, And we'll have to press the bacon and waffle buttons on the microwave. Oh, and here is the strawberry we need right here. Let me place it in the microwave. Now to push the bacon and waffles buttons. Looks like our recipe's done. Let's check it out. How cool is this? We got a Chubby Puppies and Friends blind bag. This is from their Series 3 collection and includes one baby and one accessory. Here is the flyer. Aw, check out this really cute wagon. It's light blue with pink. Our little chubby puppy is gonna have fun in this wagon. This is one of the on-the-go accessories. Now to see which character we got. Oh my goodness, look at this adorable chubby puppy friend. She is all shimmery and shiny. This cute chubby puppy friend is Pearly Pink Deer from the Savannah category. And this green heart indicates that she's a rare find. Look how happy she is riding in her new wagon. Okay, you guys, it looks like those were all the recipes from today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the Bumblebee Kid Toys channel to see more of our awesome fun videos. I'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye. See you next time.